Hi, we're K&M DIY. Today we'll be making DIY edible slime. So let's get started.
For this DIY, you will need gummy bears, assorted flavors, a bowl, a spoon, and confectioner's powdered sugar.
First thing you will need to do is put in your gummy bears. You want to put in about a handful, but we're putting in 2 handfuls because there's double of us. So now you want to put the bowl with the gummy bears in it into the microwave for 30 seconds. Now you are just going to mix your melted gummy bears. Now you're just going to pour in your confectioner's sugar. The amount of confectioner's sugar may vary between the stickiness of the gummy bears and of how many gummy bears you put in. If it's still sticky, like it is now, just add in a bit more confectioner's sugar. Once it gets dough-like, you can start picking it up and kneading it. Today, we hope you liked the video. I just want to say, this slime is so delicious and so fun to play with. It might not be that squishy. Well, it's squishy, but it might not be that stretchy. But it is really fun to squish in your hand. And it's also really fun to make, and we really hope you try these out. It's really easy. So yeah, that's it for today. Bye.